Unleash your creative potential and transform how you build user-generated content with the powerful capabilities of Higgsfield AI. Let's dive into Higgsfield AI's UGC Builder and discover how effortless it is to craft captivating visuals and interactive experiences. First, access the UGC Builder within the Higgsfield AI platform. You'll immediately notice user-friendly interface designed to put you in control. Higgsfield AI offers a range of pre-designed templates to kickstart your creation process, from eye-catching social media banners to engaging interactive quizzes. Select the template that best suits your vision today. We'll create a dynamic product showcase banner. Now, simply input a text prompt describing your desired content. The AI instantly analyzes your input and generates a variety of visual concepts. Browse through the generated options and choose the one that resonates. You can then refine your selection with intuitive editing tools. Easily adjust colors, remove backgrounds, and fine-tune details to perfection. Higgsfield AI goes beyond static visuals. Empower your content with interactive elements and polls to gather feedback. Integrate clickable buttons for seamless user engagement, or even create simple quizzes to boost interaction. Personalize your content further by adding custom text. Higgsfield AI provides a variety of fonts and styling options to ensure your message is clear and impactful. And there you have it, an engaging, interactive piece of user-generated content ready to captivate your audience. By leveraging Higgsfield AI's UGC Builder, you can enhance your digital storytelling, elevate your brand's presence, and foster a more dynamic connection with your community, all with the power of AI-driven creation at your fingertips.